Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today is the first day of 22S collection, so I'm gonna check it out. I love this tweed color combination. Love these three sets of pullover, vest, and short. This season there were many swimsuits as well. I couldn't see many 22S bags, but now I could see this Chanel 22. This is medium size. Oh my gosh, I love this bangle. There's white color as well. I would love to get this bracelet as well, but it's not coming yet. Love this swimsuit and skirt set. This unique evening bag is made of glass pearl and imitation pearl. Love the tunic and tweed jacket and skirt set. I wanted to get the top, came out as a set with this shorts, but it was not available. Love this tweed jacket from 22P. This top is so cute. It's gonna go well with this jean. I could see the Cruise collection 22C. This pareo is very unique. You can make it as a skirt. I love this tweed jacket. The texture is amazing. Love this casual tank top. I wish I can use this sunglass case as a bag. I love this camellia on the sleeve. So I'm gonna try on some ready to wear. I couldn't get many options. Everything sold out to VIPs. So I'm gonna try these. You can see some of these clothes are from 22P. This skirt is from 22S, new collection. I love this cotton jacket and silk. Love this button detail. So I try on the new collection shoes. How about this sandal? What do you think? So cute. There are so many colors. By the way, the jacket is from 22P collection and the skirt is from 22S collection. Love the color of this plaid jacket. The golden tone button matches well with this jacket. There's a jacket as a set with this skirt, but I try with another tweed jacket. What do you think? I love this color combination of the tweed. So pretty. This jacket and Bermuda pants is from current season, which is 22S. Very unique and chic. See the golden trim detail and the button. This cotton dress, the color is amazing, so pretty, but then it's kind of too short for me. My height is 5.4. I wish there is a longer version. You need to be petite size for this. This dress is from 22P. I love this wrap style dress. I'm still thinking whether I'm gonna get this dress or not. What do you think? The pro and con, this is very pretty, but you need to wear something like t-shirts inside. Now let's check it out back section. I couldn't see many 22S collection yet, but I can check out other things as well. There were so many Trendy CC handle bags. And lots of boy bags and 19 bags. Oh, there's a Trendy CC WOC as well. My gosh, it's almost $4,000 now. I could see many silver color and velvet cricket color. Okay, I love this Vanity Case. This small Vanity Case is $4,800. Not bad compared to the size. This is classic medium size, I believe. It was around $4,000, this seasonal bag. I love this salmon pink color. This dark purple color is not that appealing though. I love this white seasonal flat bag. I'm not sure the price. The size was same as like Square Mini. I love this Business Affinity backpack, caviar in small size. Even though it's a small size, it was pretty big. Bigger than my Gabrielle backpack small size. Should I get one more backpack or no? I love this white shopping bag. I couldn't check the price, but I love the size. What do you think about this beige color 19 bag? I love the white drawstring bag. This section is all about black and white bag. This season, you can see many blue color. I'm not big fan of this kind of dark blue color, but it's kind of neutral color, I feel like. Love this mini flat bag. Large hobo bag is $5,000, really good price. There were blue color, this pearl crush bag. I think it's around like $5,000. This vanity bag, I love this beige color. This Trendy CC bag, I believe this is small size. I love this silver tone hardware 19 bag. So chic. This sandal is so cute. All over Chanel CC logo, but it's so cute and there are so many colors. Now let's check it out. Small leather goods. This one is so pretty. Everything is so small, like wallet size, like card holder size almost, but it's so pretty as a set. These are almost collectible art pieces. See this mini Gabriel hobo. At the beginning of the video, I showed this evening bag. This is so pretty. Vanity bags, I see a lot of red or blue color as well. Oh my gosh, love the pearl strap chain. As you can see, red, blue, silver color. You can see a lot of silver color this season. Now let's check it out, accessories. As you see earlier, this cuff was the only one from new season. Love this beanie with the Chanel logo on it. Let's check it out, shoe section. I love this sandal. There are two versions. One is like flat version, this is high heel version. There are so many colors, black, white, dark pink, light pink. There is a black like this. There is a flat version. This season, ballerina has chain on the ankle side. It's pretty, but it's gonna be hard to wear. There are a lot of material and color for the daddy sandal. I love the mule, very simple and chic. My favorite section, espadrille. This season you can see denim material as well. I like the CC logo all over. More daddy sandals. I like the light pink one. The pink sneakers, I like it. There are many options for the color. I like this kind of simple white color. There are loafers as well. I think this one is from last season. I love this ankle boot. Love this white spangle ankle boot. I'm planning to go to Costa Mesa branch as well. So see you soon with another video. Bye!